Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by making sure your Apple TV and source device share the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for discovery. Once done, enable AirPlay on the Apple TV in settings so it can accept connections. Next, on your iPhone or iPad, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. You should see the Apple TV name appear. If it doesn't show, try toggling Wi-Fi quickly. That often forces the devices to announce themselves and allows you to start streaming right away. You select the Apple TV from the screen mirroring list, and when prompted, enter the 4-digit code you see on screen to pair securely. Once connected, decide whether you want full device mirroring or to cast content from a specific app. Apps like Photos or Apple TV will stream directly and use less battery. Make sure your device remains unlocked and the app stays foregrounded for continuous playback. If video lags, move closer to the router or switch frequencies to reduce interference for smoother streaming. To finish, stop mirroring from Control Center or press the Home button on the Apple TV remote to return to the home screen. Media apps will continue casting if supported. Make sure audio routes correctly by checking both device volume and Apple TV audio output settings. If playback freezes or the Apple TV disappears, restart the Apple TV first. That solves most issues. If problems persist, toggle AirPlay off and on and confirm both devices are on the same subnet. This single troubleshooting tip fixes many networking hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.